Door handles are an essential component of any building, providing a functional and aesthetically pleasing way to open and close doors. However, door handles can also be an opportunity to express creativity and individuality in design. Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern Home Decor Ideas. If you are ready to take your home decor to the next level, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. From minimalist to sculptural, vintage to futuristic, door handles come in various shapes, materials, and styles to suit every taste and purpose. In this context, this article explores some of the most innovative and exciting door handle design ideas, offering inspiration for anyone looking to add a unique touch to their doors. Sculptural design, a handle design that is visually striking and adds a decorative element to the door. It can be created in various shapes such as a spiral, a wave, or a geometric form. Minimalist design, a simple, sleek handle design that is both functional and modern. It can be made of a solid material such as metal or a transparent material such as glass or acrylic. Ergonomic design, a handle design that is specifically created to fit the counters of the human hand, providing maximum comfort and ease of use. This can be achieved by using curved lines and rounded edges. Vintage design, a handle design that is reminiscent of an era gone by, such as the Art Deco or Victorian period. It can feature intricate detailing such as filigree or ornate patterns and be made of antique materials like brass or bronze. Futuristic design, a handle design that is innovative and forward thinking, featuring bold shapes and unconventional materials such as carbon fiber or 3D printed polymer. Nature inspired design, a handle design that takes inspiration from the natural world, featuring organic shapes and textures such as a leaf, a tree branch, or a rock. Interactive design, a handle design that incorporates technology such as sensors or touch screen, allowing user to interact with the handle in a unique way. Colorful design, a handle design that incorporates bold colors or patterns, providing a fun and playful element to the door. This can be achieved by using painted or textured materials such as enamel or resin. Hope you enjoyed this video on modern decor and found it both informative and inspired. If you have any question or ideas you would like to share with us, please leave them in the comment section below.